Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload a video from CapCut to YouTube. Once we finish editing our video, uploading it to YouTube lets us share it with viewers around the world. We will walk you through how to export and upload your video easily. Let's get started. In the CapCut video editor, once we are done editing, we just need to click Export. In the upper right corner of the editor, we click Export and choose Downloads. Here, we can check the resolution and the file name. Once we are happy with those, we click Export. The video is now exporting. We just need to wait for it to finish. Once it is done, we will be prompted to download. Let's wait for this to complete. It is only a 13 MB file. The download is now complete. The video is saved in our files. Now, to upload it to YouTube, we open a new tab and go to YouTube. To upload, we click our profile icon and then open YouTube Studio. Inside YouTube Studio, we click Upload Videos, then select the file we want to upload. We find the video and select it. The video is now uploading. While we wait, we can add a title and description. For example, we type, "This is me." We just need to wait until the upload is complete. Once it is finished, we click Next. Here, we can add any extra elements if we want. When we are done, we click Next again and review our settings. Now, we choose whether the video will be private, unlisted, or public. If we want everyone to see it, we select Public and then click Publish. And that's it. We have successfully uploaded our video from CapCut to YouTube. Our content is now ready to be watched and shared online.